In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can arrange layers in Canva with drag and drop method. So in Canva, you could have multiple elements, and sometimes some elements are overlapping one another, or you want to make a certain section of the element to be covered by another element. So if you look at this example, you'll see that there are some regularities, but there are also some overlaps between elements. For example, this picture has this element, and this circle decoration is essentially covered this section or this area of this image. So this is very important in Canva. You want to make sure that you are putting the element the right way. You don't want to block items that's supposed to be seen. And the easiest way to play around with that is by using the layers feature, the layers menu in Canva. Now, if you want to see the composition of your elements, or sorry, of your design in Canva, you can go to the position menu right here and then navigate to layers, and then you'll see that there are plenty of elements right here. So let's focus on the circle element that I have mentioned earlier. So this circle is at the top of this picture, but if I move it at the bottom by clicking, by dragging and dropping, you'll see that now it is at the back of this picture. So if I put it back again, now it is at the top. And this is true for pretty much every element, every group in your document. And this is extremely important. Also, as you can see, there is this element, and if I put that element behind this picture, of course it will be gone, it will be invisible, it's being blocked. So that's why you have to play around with this menu a lot to make sure that everything is visible, everything is not blocking other elements. So anyway, that's how you can use the layers feature in Canva to drag and drop elements. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.